Welcome back to the M&M Car Sales channel, coming to you from downtown Madison Heights, Michigan. Today we're going to preview a 2007 Chevy Avalanche. This is the LT version. This is four-wheel drive, sharp truck. Atomic orange paint. This one's optioned with the 20-inch rims, really makes it stand tall. This one has the factory hitch, tow your boat. This has the factory hard tonneau covers, which they had. Flex fuel 5.3 engine. You can run either regular unleaded or E85. mmcarsales.com is where you can see some stills of this vehicle online. Feel free to click the finance tab at the top of the page. Get approved before popping in. Nice full-size truck. Room for Rover in the back. mmcarsales.com. Take a peek at us on the web.